We're here at the Sawyer today by Design Homes. We're excited to give you an exclusive tour.
Come on in. The modern farmhouse is a celebrated style for both its interior and exterior. The soft white tones of this interior, contrasted with its dark hardwoods, really brings the space together.
That's right, Ryan. And this fireplace has floor-to-ceiling herringbone tile that really anchors the space.
Here in the kitchen, we have this beautiful quartz countertop. The full height backsplash keeps this kitchen easy to clean. I especially love this custom detail we did here at the sink.
We're here at the pantry and we have a really exciting new feature to show you. It's a door that accesses the garage to make unloading groceries easier. We're here in the dining room where we have this floating buffet that is perfectly scaled for this space. You've got cabinets underneath for storage and then a countertop that you can use for serving. The sconces provide just kind of a soft lighting, especially in the evening if you don't want to have overhead lights on as it gets darker outside. It provides a very warm atmosphere. So we're here in the primary suite with these custom barn doors that lead directly into your bath. Wow, that freestanding soaker tub sitting in front of the full glass walk-in tiled shower creates a true spa-like oasis.
My favorite part is this 3D tile accent inside the shower. I think it's such a cool focal point for this bath.
As we head down to the lower level, check out all of this natural light in this extra wide staircase. The bar is a rich mix of darker tones with touches of brushed brass, while also offering ample seating for entertainment. Thank you for touring the Sawyer. It is truly one of a kind. You definitely don't want to miss this one. See our website for open house details on this home and all of our other homes, and please follow us on Instagram for more design ideas.